Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. We are Group FARIS, and today for our mini project, we are going to present our proposed automation of cement kiln. My name is ADLAN AZHARI bin Muhammad Caesar.
My name is FARIS RAMLI.
And my name is Muhammad SAFIY bin Muhammad YUSOFF.
Okay. So to begin with, uh, I am going to explain uh, briefly what is a cement kiln. A cement kiln is used in the process of pyro processing of cement for the purpose of construction. Uh, the cement kiln can be used to pyro process any material, but for the sake of our project, we are going to focus on cement. So the components of a cement kiln, the primary components of a cement kiln, are the oil pump, which is used to store the oil used in the burner pipe, which is used to produce a concentric flame, the rotation motor to rotate clockwise and counterclockwise as needed, and it is also used to move the cement across the pipe, and then a cooling fan to cool the motor, and the door to receive the cement materials. And of course, the primary component that's needed for cement production is the cement materials. We also have an inductive sensor which we use to detect and essentially allow for the automation of the cement kiln. Now I'm going to pass over to my team member Muhammad Safi to explain the proposed process.
Okay, so this is the proposed process for automation of cement kiln. So this is the picture for the cement kiln. So the cement kiln, there are a slight slope, which is the upper side is the right side, and the lower side is at the left side. And this help the cement materials to go through this cement kiln. So the first step is when we push the turn on button, the oil pump will turn on and provide the burner pipe the oil, and the fans, the cooling fans will also turn on to cool the cement material when it get out of the kiln, and it also provide the air for the flame for combustion. So the second step is when the cement materials enter, we will close the door. When the door is closed, the motor will start to turn on to rotate the kiln. So the first is the kiln rotation will operate in clockwise rotation for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it will start to rotate in counterclockwise rotation. And this rotation will repeat itself. This rotation also help the cement materials to go through this kiln from the upper side to the lower side of the kiln. So when the cement materials get out of the kiln, there will be a counter that will a weight counter that will count the weight of the cement materials for 40 kilogram. And after it reach 40 kilogram, all of this operation will start again for looping. So that's all from me, and we will continue with Faris about ladder diagram.
So this is the ladder diagram for automation of cement kiln. As you can see, the starter is the on-off button with latching, and when we press the on button, M1 will turn on, And when M1 is turned on, the cooling fan, the oil pump, and the flame will be turned on also. And then if you press the door button, it will activate the output Q4, which is door. Next slide. And then activate the clockwise timer for the clockwise motor. The clockwise timer will be on for about 10 minutes, and then when when the time runs out, the right direction will change with the Q6 output turning on, and then the counterclockwise timer will be turned on for 10 minutes for the counterclockwise motor. Next slide. This is the weight counter. So every 20 minutes, the counter will go up by one, which is 10 kilogram, and after 40 kilogram, it will start over from the start. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. So then to continue, this is the uh, ladder diagram that we have prepared. So we run the simulation, and as you can see, the clockwise timer is working as intended. The counter will then count up to 4 to represent the filling of the bags. So we will consider this ladder diagram and our project to be successful in achieving the objectives we set out. So with that, thank you for listening to our presentation. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.